Hey Petty fam, we're back with another video. We're doing Reginaecarter. She's introducing Armon to Weezy at Lil Weezy's Fest. Yes, they finally meet. I'm so excited. Let's get into it. You think he gonna like Armon? That's kind of hard not to like Armon. Armon's a sweetie, so I hope he gives him a shot.
Good morning, my neighbor and naysayer. First of all, I look a mess. We missed our flight. We missed our flight. 2 perfectly first class flights going down the drain. Now I gotta sit in coach. I hate coach. I don't even think you get drinks back there. But I don't know.
I hate coach too, girl. Like I fly first class all the time. Not yet. It's not my to-do.
I just hate coach. But I'm sitting in the Sky Lounge right now, the Delta Sky Lounge, waiting on Armon because he had to use the bathroom. Shitty ass boy. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm so mad I missed my flight, but I gotta see my daddy, so we gotta do that coach flight for an hour. Then we gotta fly to Baton Rouge. They don't even have a coach flight to New Orleans. So we're flying to Baton Rouge, and then we're driving to New Orleans. Then I gotta get my hair and my makeup done. It's gonna be a day today, but it's the festival day. We over here eating.
Yeah. Hope your stomach feel better, Armon. Reginae told us the business.
Our flight about to board in like 10 minutes.
Yeah, dang, it's that quick.
Yeah, 9:13. It's about to board at like 9:25. Is that 10 minutes? If that's not 10 minutes, please don't shoot the messenger. Say bye. Say TTYL. Talk to you later. You're not saying we on the way to the hotel. We got like an hour and 45 minutes. Right?
To the hotel?
Victor?
It's an hour 20.
Okay.
He said,
Okay, y'all.
okay, y'all.
This is our room.
Okay, y'all. Thank you for the room tour.
New Orleans. Never mind. This is our room.
Like that.
Where's the bathroom? Oh, the bathroom right here.
Quit tripping our mind. It's nice.
Bathroom right here. I like it, though. I like it.
Well, 1, 2. Y'all, this is my first time staying at this hotel, I think. I don't usually stay here. But it's nice. It looks like people that do business. Like, you know, business people. Hotel room.
Look, a little place to do your little makeup right there.
Yeah, definitely. About to get my hair, my makeup done, y'all.
Why they don't got a smart TV?
We need to pay.
Okay, sorry. Babe,
We need to go eat.
Oh yeah, look.
Well, we need to.
Plus in-room dining, so you know. But babe, we finna go eat because I'm with that too.
Nah, we need to just in-room dine.
You sure?
Yeah, cause my hair and my makeup on.
Oh, okay.
Y'all know I gotta get my stuff together. What's that? Okay, yeah, y'all. So we're about to get settled in.
Yes, we are.
And y'all, guess what? Lolo and Reese here. So
Where they at?
it's me going for another one.
Where they at?
They
So cute. I'm so glad they're together.
somewhere at the casino. Ooh, Lord is in the.
They at the casino?
Yeah.
Babe, let's go to the casino.
They at the casino.
Yeah,
Lord
let's
is
go
and
take out
Reese
some
here.
money.
We about to see what's about
How much you trying to
We got
take out?
some fruit, yeah.
Babe.
We about to get settled. I'm probably wait. I can't even change because I didn't even bring real like clothes like that.
You need to just wear that.
All right, y'all. Bye. Y'all got some scared.
Hey, Lolo.
Are you ready to turn up?
Yeah, it's going up. You know how we get.
Wait, hold up. Okay. Yeah.
You know how we get, Bess. Yeah, activated.
Yeah, period.
Yeah.
Y'all, Reese is in the other room, y'all, but it's giving a turn up night.
Gang, gang.
Y'all, look at our outfits. Wearing this. Yeah, I'm wearing this. I don't know what bodysuit I want to wear, either one. With some black jeans, with these, with this bag, and he's wearing this. You know, it's giving color coordinated a little bit, right? Black and white. I got blue and black and white. That's black. That's not blue and black.
Hey,
That's black. Those pants black.
Yeah,
That's blue
navy.
and white.
Yeah. And he got on black. Like, you want to match so bad?
That's when you know you in love. Y'all trying to coordinate everything. She's like, we gotta meet daddy and still be color coordinated. You know, our couple photos. And we're gonna look back on years later. Be like, I remember when.
It's giving. Ooh, look at my hair. Whoa. No. Okay, y'all. I'm about to get my hair and my makeup done, and we are ready. Look at y'all, because I need this hair and this makeup done so bad. So I'll be back when I'm all dolled up. I think my camera is a little blurry, y'all. Like,
It's always fire. You look great. I like her hair. I like the little curls they bumped in there.
it's not showing up how it usually show up. Okay, y'all, I am done with glam. Now I'm about to get dressed. I'm about to get dressed. We about to get dressed, and I'm gonna show y'all my outfit, because right now it's just the glam done. Y'all like it? Let me know in the comments below. Okay. Look at Mr. Armoni. Oh, y'all forgot you don't got your shoes on. I said, wait.
Oh.
Yeah.
You know, it's a classic. Couldn't do all the pendants, you know, but very, very suave, very, very plain.
Now give me.
Okay, now we gotta get what the reason why she brought out the camera.
I'm not dressed all the way, y'all.
Yeah, but this just a little pregame. She switched up the shirt.
Red and black.
Come on, yeah.
Black and white.
Oh, give me another spin. Walk back from here to there. There we go. Let me see. Okay.
You know, I'm gonna have a jacket on. And yeah, it's gonna be real cute. Hey, I gotta put my. Hold up, y'all. Y'all, my favorite people is here. Say hey. Y'all, this is my god brother and his beautiful girlfriend, Angel. Thank you. Tell them what you want.
Hey, Angel.
What you want to be known as, because she got a million names with us.
I do. Y'all could call me 505 girl.
505 Icy. Oh, y'all, these are, first of all, y'all can tell. Hold on, let me show y'all. Not twins. This is, they are twins and they are rock stars. Make music, y'all. Y'all gotta go check out their music. Yeah, they lit. Stop fucking playing with them. No, they be on tour and everything, selling out shows and everything. Stop playing. Stop playing. Stop playing with my brother and this girl. Stop playing. Y'all, look, I'm kind of dressed a little bit, y'all, but I'm about to put on my jacket and the car is downstairs, so we about to start hitting there in a minute. So, hey. Y'all say hey to my vlog. Carry on. Say hey.
The whole name. Hey.
Oh, girl, who you hiding from?
She pulling her head down. Carry on said, I'm trying to wait till I get down there, but they know who I am. I told my man I was somewhere else. Like, who she hiding from? She told her mama them she was going somewhere. She said, shh.
Who you hiding from?
The whole name. Clare, Washington.
Damn, you the one that said. Okay, y'all. Ooh, we deep. Man, stop playing with me. We about to go. So, bro, why she so lit? Oh, okay, yeah, so we on the way to the venue. I guess I don't know how this is going to go.
She's so sweet. She slowed down to wait for Armon because he was at the back of the pack. Okay. She said, where my man at?
We know that the festival gets a little crazy. So we're about to see. Look at my man. Oh, sorry, baby.
Okay, but.
Look at my bitch that hurt you. You know
Hey, girl.
her engine got horses. Stop playing. I'm mad I miss you. Let's hit my little cousins. Wait. Do y'all see their skin though?
Nah, fuck.
They're so cute. Hey, y'all. I mean, they like almost grown and everything, but they adorable though.
Yeah, see all of this.
Look at this is a family thing, but look at their skin. These kids' skin is so. Do you see that? I think they're.
Beautiful skin.
Y'all look good, baby. But like honestly, I've never seen people's skin that clear before in my life. Am I tripping?
They do look clear as a motherfucker though.
No, like let's take a shot.
Some other people know.
Who next?
Who is next?
That's a nice, that lighting is really nice, Reginae.
I don't know. I think
Dang,
it's
I be
like, wait, what's what is your people called? The Reginator still?
What? Oh, they were the Reginator.
What is your fan base called now? Or your
They naybays and naysayers.
What's up with the
See, he been loyal for a long time, bro. No.
naybays?
Yeah. I'm about to perform. This is the infamous woman behind all my dad's beautiful looks. You know, all of those rain boots.
Love them or hate them. Love the look or hate the look. Why? All I was trying to do was watch my head.
Oh, it would be.
It's always me. Bro.
Like, what is this?
It just uncanny.
Bro.
Why the soap broke, man? See, you need a person in your crew that got some hand sanitizer at the very least. Like, I would not be leaving the restroom with dirty hands.
Oh my.
It's okay.
It's okay. Okay, there you go. Oh no.
Them people gonna come into that.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Okay,
I just fixed it.
I think that. Oh,
We gotta go with that. No,
that's how it was.
The first person who does that is gonna fall.
It was. Did y'all listen? Did y'all not see before?
His name is.
and
This is the New Orleans national anthem.
we had a good old time.
We had time last night. Y'all up? Y'all ready to go out?
Hey y'all, so I'm so tired. I didn't go out and I'm stopped up, but I had such a good time. And you know, New Orleans showed us a good time, right, babe?
New Orleans
Not
showed
you
us.
sleep.
New Orleans showed us a great, beautiful time. I'm so hungry, baby. You got the food?
Yeah, and we're starving. Good morning, my neighbor and naysayers. What is up? So
Last night was really lit. This morning, before we leave, we're about to go to my dad's, and he's gonna meet my dad. Well, he met a.
I was hoping I didn't miss that, y'all. You know, I be trying not to get copyright infringement issues. So I was fast forwarding. So I'm sorry if y'all didn't see the whole concert. But you know, I'm not trying to have to pay nobody know that. Because I need y'all to watch these videos. I ain't there yet, y'all. I need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. I love y'all dearly. But yeah, no. So yeah, I was hoping I didn't miss it. I was gonna be mad at myself.
Last night, but he's gonna like officially meet my dad. I'm about to have breakfast with him, so.
I like her. See, that's what I'm telling y'all. Reginae is the bomb.com because she, you know, most people would have been like, hey, you know, let's get him on stage or let's meet him. But she bring us behind the scenes so they can meet, you know, one-on-one in real life in person, you know, and that way I didn't have to worry about the music. See, that's my girl.
Well, that is about to be interesting. So we're gonna see.
Hey guys, so we're in the car.
No, I think it was just either or, he said.
Always on the phone. Hey guys, so we just left my
So cute. She had to start again once he got off the phone because she gonna flip it to watch.
dad's hotel, and guess what, y'all? Mom and my dad.
Yeah, man. You know what I mean? Met the goat, man.
Oh, now somebody just got into a wreck.
And he's sick about it.
So sad.
Yeah, y'all. So, excuse me, girl. It's like, nah, I'm playing. But nah, y'all. I did meet OG, man. He showed me great love. You get what I'm saying, bro? I really do appreciate that. Everybody showed me mad love. You get what I'm saying? Down to OG, down to moms, down everybody. Like, everybody just showed mad love. I appreciate that, man. But today, y'all, I mean, I did get to meet, you know what I'm saying, the GOAT,
And
man. You feel me?
And guess who heard his single before? Y'all, my dad.
Yeah.
Well, he hearing it now. I just sent it.
So, oh yeah,
I
y'all,
sent it.
she didn't tell me. She just sent it.
I sent it. I'm sorry, I didn't tell you that.
All right, John, so she said, oh, man.
I was trying to make you nervous before you met him. That's what that was.
So, yeah, babe, put this in for me. Yeah, y'all, so OG wanted to, she gonna come out this way, bro. Cause it's, yeah, OG wanted to hear the single, so. And he was persistent on hearing the single, so that's what made me be like, oh.
Hi guys, so let me stop saying hi guys. So y'all, I really hope y'all like this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and press that bell notification if you want to see more of me every time I drop. This weekend, yesterday was so fun. Today was fun. Yeah, like the vibes was good. Everything was good. I was a little nervous at first. I'm like, ooh, how's it gonna be? But I knew it was gonna be good because I know when I know. But thank y'all. Hope y'all like this video. Bye.
So sweet. I hope y'all like this video as well. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you can. Click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad. See ya.